Hey guys, Boomer and I here. This is the second MLS property we've looked at this week, which is a little unusual for us, but this is a bank REO, and this is actually the first time I'm walking in, so kind of give you guys a little walkthrough, seeing the same things that we see. Already, I can tell the power has been off for a while, hopefully not too long, because if it's been off for usually about 6 months, you got to go through a whole nother process to get your power shut on, and it's a whole nother permit process. It just kind of holds things up a little bit. Boomer's tired. Alright, so we got this lovely carpet here. And it's good we came out in the rain because we got some active leaks. Not that you wouldn't have noticed this, but it's pretty serious one. So we can definitely count on a roof. Lots of drywall. We got that lovely popcorn ceiling, which isn't too bad in this area. I mean, it's what a lot of places have. Kitchen is, the cabinets actually might be salvageable, surprisingly. Of course, we need new countertops and appliances, all that fun stuff. Let's see, we got a garage here, which is pretty good for this area. We're up in almost Dawsonville. And nope, we might not be able to get through there, I don't know. Sorry, Boom. Let's see, let's go through the rest of the house here real quick. Looks like this might be the laundry room, the pantry. All kinds of, let's look at this, foreclosure. Again, bank REO. This floor is all kinds of effed up. Got a mudroom here, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense since there's not an outside entrance to it. Let's get to the meat and potatoes here. I do like the large ceilings in this room. It really shows well when you do a house like that. Oh, you're not really able to see. I guess I should turn on some lights. I like this wallpaper. It is sweet. Like a little hunting lodge up in here. Let's see. Boomer picked his room. Oh, woo! Look at that guy. Look at that guy. This is fun. This is fun. There. Oh, look at that. We can get into the other room there. Hey, how you doing? It's like your brother and sister. You can pass notes, through class. Yep, Boomer's going to pass some notes in there. Let's see. Man, they went to town on this house. Somebody's mad. Boom. There's the Azul Ombre out there. Dirt road leading in too, which is, not great. Let's see. We got the air freshener, that's important. Let's see where this water's coming from. I don't want to touch it, but I don't see. It might be coming from that light. I got some mold. It's not like black mold or anything. Tub is, meh. So 2 closets in the master. Shower's not. Not crazy about the trim around it. I mean, the double vanity's good. We'll probably make another video here and take a look at the rest.